guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video I'll show you a simple home remedy that will help you get rid of dark lips. I know a lot of guys and ladies have issues with the color of their lips because of how dark it is, so I'm here to show you a home remedy that will help you get rid of this darkness from your lips completely. Rose water. Rose water will help hydrate, revitalize and moisturize your lips, keeping it soft and tender. Pure honey. Pure honey helps to heal burns and scars. Pure honey will help to clean and purify the pores on your lips. Pure honey will help to hydrate and soothe your lips and delay the aging rate on your lips. Then the next item we'll be needing is lemon. I already have a sliced lemon here. This lemon juice has antibacterial, antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties that will help, and toning properties too, that will help tone the lips and get rid of the darkness from your lips, keeping it young. Glycerin. Glycerin will help to keep the lips soft, get rid of fine lines and blemishes, and help reduce the aging rate of your lips. Have a teaspoon of lemon. Have a teaspoon of rose water. A teaspoon of pure honey. Have a teaspoon of glycerin. Completely combined. This is more like a lip balm that you can apply on your lips every day. Apply this morning and at night before bedtime. You leave it overnight. The rose water in it will help reduce your anxiety level. It's going to help induce sleep, so you have a better sleep at night. The aroma from the rose water will help to make your body relaxed. You just apply this around your lips, massage it just like that, and I promise you, you're going to get a pinker lips, a smoother lips and a very soft and tender lips. So guys, this is all there is to this video. If you liked it, please give it a huge thumbs up and share it with your friends. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button below and on the notification bell for more updates. Till my next video, I'll see you all very soon.